I'll click the reset button on the module to fully reset all the parameters after resetting through the application. Now, while that is done, I'm going to run the application again and connect to the module. So the next phase will be to calibrate the magnetometer. I'm going to click in the Calibrate Mag tab. I'm going to I'll move the application towards this side. Yeah. So the next, I'm going to start calibrating the magnetometer. I click on the Calibrate Magnetometer. Now you notice the figure appear, math body figure appear. So what you need to do is to begin to rotate the whole module. Keep rotating. You see three circles which are offsetted. So once you are satisfied with the display, you click on the plot. You click on the plot area. Left click on the plot area. So once you left click on the plot area, you will notice that it's printed out the calibration parameters for the magnetometer. So you see the matrix and the vector, A matrix and the B vector parameter. So once you have seen it, you click on the plot again. Just click on the plot again. A new plot should appear. Then you just check it. If everything is okay, the three circles now will be aligned to. There will not be any offset. They will be aligned with each other. And you notice now. Now this shows you that it's now the magnetometer has been properly calibrated. Notice the circles or the balls are now aligned with each other, no more offsetted. So can close the figure. So that means the magnetometer is properly calibrated. So the next step is to calibrate the gyroscope and accelerometer. Now, it's only the magnetometer calibration that requires you to move the IMU about. But every other calibration we are going to be doing, the IMU will be stationary. So to calibrate the gyroscope, all we need to do is to go to the Calibrate Gyro tab, ensure that your IMU is stable, it's on a plane. If it's on your robot, to be on your robot, just ensure that it's stable. It's on a plain ground. So you click on Calibrate Gyro. Now you notice on the terminal that the calibration is running. So you wait for it until it's fully calibrated. So you see a plot appears which shows the uncalibrated value and the calibrated value. See that everything is now aligned, and these are the offset value. Now you can always copy these values to maybe if you are doing a report or something, you can copy it. But notice that everything is automatically saved to the microcontroller's EEPROM memory. So you don't need to worry about that. So you can close this. So the next is to calibrate the accelerometer is the same. Leave the IMU stationary and click Calibrate Accelerometer. It is reading raw accelerometer data. Yeah, just wait for it to complete. And yes, this done. So you notice now, the uncalibrated data. You see the difference between the uncalibrated data and the calibrated data. So the values are now well aligned, are now well calibrated. So once that is done, we are good to go for the next phase, which is to now set up the magic filter.